2020. Yes! So new year, new project. This is our new cardigan called Like a Bird. Doesn't it look like a bird? So this made with our merino worsted. So our merino worsted is a single ply, so it's very light and warm. So basically this is done with all knit stitch. You can hardly see it because of the fringe. But if you are just a beginner who doesn't know even how to purl, you can make this. So it's very easy, but you have to make a fringe to put it. But we have a video you can watch. So this is size small camel, but I have more sizes and colors, like a bird. So this is medium size, but if you like oversized like me, you can make a medium and wear it as a oversized cardigan. So this is called polar bear, and I have army green, and this is army green. This color is so beautiful. It's green, but I don't know how to explain. You can wear over jeans, a dress. I'm wearing jumper, so you can wear over jumper. So easy. So I will show you how it look like without fringe, because some people don't like the drama. Then you can just make the body and wear it. This is before the fringe. So when I said you can make this one by just knowing knit stitch. These are essentially same stitch. It looks different. This is knit back and forth, and this sleeve is knit in a round. So before you put the fringes, it looks like this. So if you don't like the fringy drama, so it's just a simple cardigan. This can be wear as it is. But if you like drama, you put fringes afterwards. So it's a super simple. Everyone can do it, I promise you.